This country exists just a few hundred miles off the coast of the United States of America. This third world country where it's just pitiful conditions from the moment you get off the plane. It's poor economics, it's poor infrastructure. Medical facilities don't operate in ways that are familiar to us in the U.S.
Our chance of survival is probably pretty slim.
And all of that has to do with kind of the terrible economics of Haiti.
This is a place where humanity is humiliated. Even after you're dead, you're still humiliated by poverty. After you're dead, I mean, it's unbelievable.
I can't imagine that any of them would have the problems that we have in Haiti, like at all levels.
If you have one cell in your body that is turned to cancer, there is nothing more important to your whole health system than that cell. And it's impossible that humanity is humiliated and crushed in one place outside of everybody's looking, knowing, or caring, just like a cancer cell somewhere. It's impossible that there can be well-being anywhere, if there are places where human spirit are being crushed and humiliated. It's impossible.
I believe it's my 7th or 8th trip. First trip I think was 1998.
Has anyone seen little round tape measures?
I take away much more than I give here, and it's so good for my soul to be here and see the good things to do and do my little bit to help.
There's one exam room and the patient's sitting right in the other.
I'm glad that we brought some Project Haiti staff down.
Can you smile with you?
So that we have a very good idea of all the new things that are being done here. St. Alphonsus is a little bit unique in Project Haiti with the work being done here in Haiti. It's, I think, the longest supporter of Father Rick, and we've been with him since the very beginning of his work here.
Like the Boise program, they've been a huge support to us. I was just saying to Debbie, I mean, they're the ones that started before anybody else was helping us, you know. Really, and it's the fact that it kept going. It's really great. We're very happy, you know. And I mean, so much in the hospital started because of the hospital in Boise, you know.
We took a tour on this trip to kind of see what some of the new programs are, and just in the 8 months since my last visit, I cannot keep track of all the programs that they're doing. A freestanding adult hospital, an intensive care unit, a freestanding cholera treatment rehydration center that St. Alphonsus and Boise funded, to education programs and feeding programs, a freestanding medical campus, job programs for kids where they teach them diesel mechanics or sewing or noodle making or bread making, and I've gotten to the point where I can't keep up with all of the new cool things that are going on here.
We have 500 births a month here now. That is so cool.
It is such a very, very cool thing that Father Rick and his staff have done.
You can't say only the air in the United States is the only air we care about. As long as our air is clean, it doesn't matter to us, because air doesn't respect any boundaries. You can't just say, we have enough bad water problems, the only water we care about is water in the United States. Water doesn't respect boundaries. What's happening somewhere else to air, what's happening somewhere else to water, definitely affects you. The human spirit is not confined to one place. It's not to say, I'm going to care about the poor in Haiti, or I'm going to care about the poor in Boise. The point is, I'm going to make the humiliation of other people my business, no matter where it is. To do something about humiliated humanity is the same as to do something about that cancer cell which seems so unimportant in your body. The important point is taking care of a wounded world and training ourselves to respond to a wounded world.